presume you're watching the whale.
What whale?
It was right beside you on the left. Now it's a little behind you. If you got a fish finder, that thing would look pretty big underneath your boat.
Be a black screen.